Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from Japan. This is an Umai crate. You can head on over to japancrate.com and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Well, let's check it out and see what's inside. Cool. So when you crack open the box, the first thing you'll see is one of these informative pamphlets. Inside is everything you wanted to know about all the varieties. So if you don't know how to read Japanese and don't know how to decipher instant noodle directions in Japanese, you want to hold on to this, so don't lose it. You'll also notice there's a recipe card. All right, let's look through everything. First, we got this little cup. It's okayu, seaweed, and clam dashi. So this is a little cup of seafood porridge that you can enjoy. It's not a noodle. It's like made with rice and probably pretty good. And here's another rice variety. It simply says wild vegetable rice. And it says this is a seasonal dish and this looks to be some rice. Interesting. Now this is interesting. This is a Knorr product. This is a shrimp and spinach gratin. And it does contain, it looks like rotini. This is really cool. They never have sent anything like this before. And I think this is going to be really interesting. It is a noodle. So it's pasta. So I'll review that. Cool. So, if you've been on a diet recently, you might have heard about this stuff. This is a tomato ramen, and this is made with konnyaku, also known as konjac. It's made from a root, and basically these noodles are practically calorie-free. This company uses a gauge of them, however, that's like thick rubber bands, and it chews like them, and I don't know. We'll see if they've upgraded their gauge, but I'm not a big fan, so cool, but And then here's one from Kenko Foods. You'll find these in the Umai crates often. This is a Shio ramen. This will probably be pretty good. I think I've had it though. Their noodles are quite good, and their flavorings are good. So not bad. Another one you see in Umai crates often are these Yamamoto flour milling or Yamamoto saimen. This is Tanuki's father, gem yakisoba. So this might be like a tonkatsu yakisoba. So I'm looking forward to trying this. I don't think I've had this one before. I'm pretty darn sure I've had this one. This is Michio Kawamura right here in the corner. And this is a nature-based instant ramen. This is a miso flavor one. I don't remember if I liked it, but I'm going to bet you it wasn't bad. So, cool. And then we've got a Higashi Maru variety. This is a tonkatsu. And from what I remember, this one was absolutely wonderful. So, And sort of a little bonus here. We have some miso soup with tofu. And this comes in a block. This is probably the deal where you just take this little block, drop it in a cup, add some water, and it just goes, and then you've got this hearty soup. So pretty cool. All right, so in the May 2022 Umai crate, you get tonkatsu, miso, yakisoba, shio, miso soup, tomato ramen, pasta soup, some porridge, some rice, a recipe card, and your informational pamphlet. Well, cool. Thanks to the folks over at Japan Crate for sending this Umai crate over. And if you want to get one, shoot on over to japancrate.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider. Get yourself a discount. All right. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.